Hey ladies, it's Ashley with Melanin Beaute Boutique and it is Makeup Monday. So today I am trying out this NYX tinted brow mascara. I've been obsessed with eyebrows, if you haven't noticed, past Makeup Mondays, just trying to perfect my look. So I previously used to use the Just for Men beard dye to tint my eyebrows, but then I did a little bit more research on that and I found out that there was a couple lawsuits because apparently this dye was like breaking out the face of men and giving them like really bad acne and discoloration on their chin and stuff. So I was like, oh. And so, you know, they had sued Just for Men. And I don't even know what the terms of it is, but the fact that they were sued for it is enough to alert me that maybe I should not be putting it on my face. I don't need, you know, some permanent damage on my eyebrows from this product. So I decided to use a product that is specifically meant to tint the eyebrows, which is this. So yeah, Milo, you need to go. Somebody wants to say hi. You want to say hi to my friends? Say hi, Milo. You need to get off the bed. You need to get off the bed, Milo. You need to go. Okay? Mommy's got to film. Mommy don't have time to play with you right now. Get down. This is what the product box is looking like. So, we are definitely going to try it. This is either going to be a success or this is going to be an epic fail because I'm not excited about it. And the reason why I'm not so excited about it is because it looks like what the packaging is look like. I got it in black, so that's what it's looking like. The reason why I'm not so excited about it is because it comes like a brush. And I typically don't like the ones that come like a brush because I feel like you don't have control when you're trying to shape your brow. So that's why I don't really like it. No, get down. That's why I don't really like it, because I like to kind of like have more control when I'm shaping my brow. But we're going to try this today and see how it works. It's either going to look real good or it's gonna be real bad. So here we go. I don't know about this, y'all. This is about to be an epic fail, but we about to find out. So here we go. Whew, all right. Here we go. Supposed to do light strokes up on the brow line. That's what the directions say. So let's see how this works. So far, look. It looks like I have my brow go from right here to right here. There's like no tail and no nothing in the front there. So I may have to like fill it in or something, but I'm gonna keep going, see if it improves. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this. I feel like I have like no control. Girl, honey child. Let me get a closer look at this. So I'm sorry, Nyx. This is only one brow too. Okay, let me try to shape it. Let me not be so judgmental. Let me try to shape this up. So I'm gonna color in this other side, and then I'm gonna use a concealer to kind of like, not a concealer, a shaper, highlighter to try to shape in the brow, and then we gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna try to work with you next, but right now I'm Woo. Okay, let me I can't take myself seriously with my brow looking like that. I just cannot take myself seriously. Alright, here we go. We'll fill in the other one. Alright, so let me try to shape it up and see if that makes a difference. Let me try to help this out, because alright, let's see. See if I can make this look halfway decent. Cannot make this work. Like, my eyebrows just look lopsided. Like, look at this. This one is like up here, and then this one is like down there. It looks like, it just looks so weird. Like, I can't even do this. I mean, when you shape it, you can kind of like hide the fact. Like, you obviously have to blend the highlighter, but you could kind of hide the fact that it was kind of messed up. But this one is so lopsided. Like, this one is up here and this one's like down here. So, oh my goodness, this is not a good look right now. All right, let me try to fix this other side. Nyx, you have never disappointed me before. Why today? And the problem is that, like, my eyebrows are not thick in the front. I guess nobody's really is, but mine especially isn't. So trying to fill it out right here just kind of sucks. Alright, we're gonna try to highlight this one more time. And if this don't work, next, like, you disappoint me today. Alright, let's try this. Let's try this again. I'm trying to get us a chance before because I rarely use a product that I just don't like. But this is going to have to make the list. Products I hate. Oh man. Okay, is it somewhat even now? Finally. Like I can't. Okay, so unfortunately, this NYX tinted brow mascara is not good. It's no bueno. Like, I can't get it. I don't have as much precision as I'm used to with the brush and trying to put my eyebrows on. I usually shape them a different way, and this is not it. Because if you can if you can tell, like, this one is kind of like on a diagonal, and then this one is like a box shape, so it's a different shape. And like this one stops like right here, like right above my nose bridge, and this one comes all the way in here, like right here, and it's like right here, like in the center of my nose. So I don't like that. All right, let me try to fix it one more time. Try to fix this one more time, y'all, because this, and yes, I'm using my finger to try to get this right. It's just not, it's not happening for me. Trying to help y'all out, NYX, but y'all disappoint. Yeah, no, I don't like it. Okay, so this is the final look. I look like a clown. Like, yeah, it's not right, because like if you look at right here, this is like on a diagonal, this one is like box, this one's now over here, and then this one's like over there. This one's going like right here where it should be, and this one's like over here, like right there. So basically this part in the center is like not lined up right. I don't like the way that looks. One's on a diagonal, one's not. So I might have to give this NYX a hell to the no. Like, this brow tinted brow mascara, I think probably if you have much thicker eyebrows, like, you know, you're the type of person that I mean talk about you, but you know, some people are hairy, and that is a good thing when it comes to eyebrows, because that means that you do have like the full bridge going across. So you don't have to worry about so much filling in the front here, because you have thick eyebrows. So I think that this may work with someone who has thick eyebrows. But if you're like me and it's like kind of thin here, and then you get more of your eyebrows are like here in the middle, and you kind of have to like get a tail on, you have to put your tail on yourself, this is not good, because you know, you don't have as much precision. Like if you're using a pencil, you're able to like, you know, do the small little strokes and like kind of get it to look very natural and get your tail on and get the front how you want it and blend. But with a brush, you have less control. So it is harder. If your eyebrows are thicker, you can just brush this on and it tints it and you can go. But if you're the type of person that has to like kind of draw it on because they're a little bit thinner, then this is not the product for you. So this is probably not a good product for me, because my eyebrows are a little thinner and I have to draw them on. So I'm gonna have to give this, for me, out of a 10, I am probably going to have to give this like a give it like a 3. I mean, it did what it said it was gonna do, tint my brows. I mean, they're uneven, but they're there, so they get points for that, right? But yeah, so that's Makeup Monday. I'm sorry that it wasn't a success. I usually try to try products that I know are going to be good. But I guess today is a good example of how sometimes you just don't know. And NYX is usually a trusted brand for me. Like, I usually can get stuff from NYX and make it work, but not this one. Sorry, NYX. So this one, I could get it to Talaya though. She got thick brows. Shade. Talaya got them caterpillars. She can put this on there and clean it up a bit. So yeah, well, that concludes Makeup Monday. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. Hit the subscribe button on that YouTube channel though. We try and get our subs up, okay? Tune in to us weekly, and especially for our live Business Savvy Saturdays. So I will see you lovely ladies next time.